Shandong TIANTAI Beer Equipment Company Limited is a globally recognized supplier of brewing and distilling equipment, specializing in beer, wine, kombucha, coffee brewing, vodka, whiskey, gin, and brandy distillation. Based in Jinan, China, we provide complete production lines and turnkey solutions for breweries and beverage projects worldwide. We provide turnkey brewing solutions from 1 HL to 500 HL size. Our products mainly include the malt milling line, brew house, fermenter, cooling unit, control system, filling lines, etc. TIANTAI Company supplies all-round service for you, including drawing and layout, customized design, transportation, installation, and training. Our advanced production processing facility and testing equipment covers the automatic decoiler, laser cutting machine, automatic welding machine, polishing machine, CNC tube bending machine, pressure detection bench, or a precision detector, etc. These facilities ensure high quality and stability of our equipment. TIANTAI Company passes CE certifications for machinery, low voltage and pressure equipment, EAC certifications, and has obtained more than 30 patent certifications. With our continuous efforts and improvements, so far we have exported our equipment to more than 2,800 breweries from over 106 countries, including USA, Canada, South Korea, Japan, Russia, Australia, UK, Belgium, France, Germany, South Africa, Singapore, Thailand, Mexico, Argentina, etc. TIANTAI Company adheres to the principle of providing quality, all kinds of brewing equipment at an affordable price, and serving more brewmasters to brew to the perfect. TIANTAI, your honest brewing equipment builder.